Okay, and then you want to get some more. You want to get some more.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos. As you already know, I cook on this channel. Now on the menu for you guys today, what I'm going to be making is bangers and mash and an ice cream cone. Homemade ice cream cone, spit of bread. Couldn't find the one that I particularly wanted. So yeah, without any further ado, can you guys make sure you smash the subscribe button, comment, share, and like, and also follow me on Instagram at MosToosifar as well. And now we may begin the show. Guys, as you can see, I have pre-peeled 4 potatoes to make our mashed potato. What I'm going to do is simply just chop them up. Chop them up into smaller pieces, just so it kind of cooks quicker and easier. Okay, and then meanwhile, whilst I do that, I will turn it on so it warms up, and yeah, hopefully we won't have to wait too long. I mean, it's gonna probably take around 20 minutes or so. So yeah, let's see how that's gonna go, shall we? Let's get our mashed potatoes out of the way, because they're gonna take the longest time to get ready, because everything else is a quick ready to be made. And yeah, just get that going in there, and we shall need some water, of course. Oh, let me just adjust it accordingly. Pour it in. Back to the bread. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, our potatoes are, well, they've been boiling for a while now. I think more than 20 minutes, I would say. What I'm going to do is just quickly drain them and bring it back. Okay, and here is our drained potatoes. All I'm going to do now, yeah, that we had an issue there. Not to worry. Get that on there, get the heat to it, and all you want to do is add a pinch of oil, just a little bit. And what I've got here is some sausages. Now, you can use pork sausages, beef sausages. I am using turkey sausages. Okay, it is entirely up to you. Just get a few in there and get things going, right? I'm gonna put a few in there, it's just a bit extra, right? That's that. Meanwhile, what we need for this is, if I can get it open, some butter. You want to get a nice scoop of butter in there, if you can. Oh mate, I think that's going to be enough. Get that out. Okay. Get that out of the way. Let's turn this down a little bit. You want to add a pinch of pepper. And some salt, of course. Yeah. Get a nice pinch of salt. We are not done there yet. Let's get some milk. But before I get the milk, play about with that, okay? Just gently press this down, okay? Get that butter, try and get it mixed up, right? Get that in the middle. Bring them out, okay? Just give it a nice little squeeze first. So you get rid of all the big potatoes. It's more or less all mashed. Right? And then just add yourself a pinch of milk. Just add a little bit to make it creamy. If you need more, then you can add some more. But if you think that it's alright, then it's all good. Then it's alright, isn't it? Let's see how we're doing. Yeah. I think I'm just going to add a little bit more. Okay, it makes it more creamy and it makes it stick together a little bit better rather than just little lumps. Yeah, it becomes a bit more smoother, creamy, soft. Guys, I can just smell that now. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. This is the big boy. This is what we needed. That smells amazing, guys. That is beautiful. Right, and how is our sausages doing? Yeah, we all right? Okay, lovely. Just gonna put this down to a side for a second. It is time to make the gravy. I didn't have your regular pour thing with the bit where you can just pour it, so I had to use this bad boy, right? Yeah. Anyway, so here's what you want to do. That's your gravy in there, and all you want to do is just pour some of that in. Yeah, I'm going to go generous. It does come out. Okay. Right. Go on, lads. Right. Got some water from the kettle. Let's see how that goes. Give it a little stir. We want it obviously to be thick and creamy as well. We don't want it to be like all runny. That's alright. It's not too bad. Yeah, you just want to mix it until we get a consistency of gravy. I can't really show you guys how to angle this, but yeah, that's what it looks like. Let me just have a quick look. Yeah. So guys, yeah, it's gravy, isn't it? You guys seen gravy before, right? Let me just clean this out. Okay. Now, okay, let me turn that off. That's good, that's ready. Right, so we get 2 of these sausages out. Okay, if I can. Right, all I'm going to do is chop them up. They are quite hot, so be careful not to burn yourself too much. Right, there you go. Yeah, I should have probably used a fork, but you know, me being really yeah. Okay, there's that. I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. Which one looks good? This one? Yeah? There you go. I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna do another half of this, right? I think that is good to go. I have my peas here, got my sausages there, got my mash. Are we ready? Let me show you what I've made. I'm gonna need this because it's gonna be the stand. This is a homemade cone. It's just a bit of bread which I cut up into size in order to fit what I need to fit in here. So what I'm gonna do is quite simply by taking, let me get a spoon, get some sausages, and you just want to fill it up, right? Couple in there, yeah. Get a couple of sausages down there. Get some beans, like give it a little spin, make sure it's all looking good, yeah. It's a bit hot, so can you guys see the inside of that or not? Let me see if I can bring that here. Is that better? There we go, right? That's that. That's a bit of that. And then you want to put some gravy inside to, yeah, get things going, right? Not too much, just a little bit. Okay, and then you want to get some more. You want to get some more of that. Another layer. Okay, there we go. And then again another layer of peas. Right, smashing. And then another scoop of that. Right. Bangers and mash in an homemade ice cream cone, guys. Now, you want to get your mashed potato. This is the fun bit. This is the fun bit. I don't know about if it's fun or not, but it is what it is, right? This is gonna be part of the ice cream. You know when you go to the ice cream van and they got like this, they give you ice cream in a cone, yeah? This is becoming quite heavy. You might need to hold on to it just in case. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. This is looking quite a wallop. Wouldn't you say so? Wouldn't you say so? Hey? Come on, mate. Stop messing with that. Ain't all day for ya. Right. Now. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen, eh? Look at that. That looks like an ice cream cone, don't it? Oh, where am I? That looks like an ice cream cone, right? Now, what you want to do is get your sausage, stick it there, right? That's that. And then pour some gravy on top. Probably can't get all of this on camera because you know, where's yeah. That's like the, you know the sauce they put on top? You got the chocolate sauce or you got the strawberry sauce, whatever, yeah? Bam! There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see if I can have that steady. Right, there you are. I'm not gonna move it. That is your bangers and mash in a homemade cone. Bon appetit, share, like, comment, and subscribe, guys. I'll see you in the next video.
Tell me, will you really think it's more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come up